Looking to build a powerful PC or upgrade your current setup? Whether you're gaming, streaming, editing, or multitasking like a pro, your CPU is the heart of your system, and choosing the right one makes all the difference. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 CPUs of 2025, from budget beasts to performance monsters. Let's find out which chip is perfect for your next level build. Number 5. Intel Core i5-1240F. If you're looking for incredible value without breaking the bank, the Intel Core i5-1240F is a standout choice. Priced at just around $110, this chip delivers impressive performance for both gaming and productivity tasks, making it one of the smartest budget-friendly picks on the market today. Equipped with 6 performance cores and 12 threads, the i5-1240F handles multitasking and demanding applications with ease. It clocks in with a 2.5 GHz base frequency and can boost up to 4.4 GHz when you need that extra speed. And with 18 megabytes of L3 cache, it ensures smoother processing across a wide range of tasks. Unlike some higher-end Intel CPUs, the 12400F doesn't feature E-cores, but that hardly holds it back. It still powers through daily workloads and gaming sessions beautifully. Plus, it supports the latest technologies, like PCIe 5.0 and DDR5 memory, giving you a more future-proof platform compared to older options like AMD's Ryzen 5 5600, which is limited to PCIe 4.0 and DDR4. The 12400F fits perfectly into the affordable LGA 1700 motherboard ecosystem, meaning you have access to a wide variety of B660 and B760 boards, whether you're aiming for a DDR4 or DDR5 build. Even better, it comes with a decent stock cooler included, but upgrading to a better aftermarket cooler is a smart move if you want even quieter, cooler operation. If you're building a budget gaming PC or a solid work-from-home setup, the Core i5-1240F offers fantastic bang for your buck. Number 4. AMD Ryzen 5860G. If you're building a gaming PC without a dedicated graphics card, the AMD Ryzen 5860G might just be your new best friend. Priced at around $170, it offers almost 90% of the flagship Ryzen 7870G's performance, but at a much more wallet-friendly price. The 8600G comes packed with 6 Zen 4 CPU cores and features an RDNA 3-based integrated GPU with 8 compute units, giving it enough muscle for a smooth 1080p gaming at modest settings. Thanks to AMD's Hyper-RX technologies like Radeon Super Resolution, Anti-Lag Plus, and Radeon Boost, you can push even more performance out of this chip, smartly trading a little image quality for smoother gameplay. Of course, you'll have to manage expectations. While many titles will run great at 1080p, you might need to tweak settings for more demanding games. Still, the integrated graphics here are far superior to anything AMD has offered in previous generations. This processor slots into AMD's modern AM5 platform, meaning you'll get access to faster DDR5 memory and broader connectivity options compared to older APUs. Affordable motherboards like the B650 and A620 make pairing easier, though it's important to factor DDR5 RAM into your build budget. While it only supports PCIe 4.0, that's a minor limitation for the kinds of systems this chip is designed for. If you want a compact, capable, and affordable entry into PC gaming or powerful general computing without splurging on a GPU, the Ryzen 5860G is a fantastic choice. Number 3. AMD Ryzen 5960X. The AMD Ryzen 5960X shows just how much a processor can evolve with the right support. Originally off to a rocky start, a wave of firmware and operating system updates has completely transformed its standing, making it a real powerhouse in the under $250 category. At its core, the Ryzen 5960X packs 6 of AMD's latest Zen 5 CPU cores and 12 threads, delivering serious multitasking ability and responsiveness. It runs at a solid 3.9 GHz base clock and can boost all the way up to 5.4 GHz, giving it a lively edge in both gaming and productivity workloads. The standard 65-watt TDP ensures efficient power consumption, but if you want even more speed for heavier tasks, AMD has unlocked a 105-watt TDP setting you can activate in the BIOS, giving you flexible control over performance. without overheating worries. It's worth noting that the Ryzen 5 960X doesn't come with a stock cooler, so you'll want to pick up a third-party solution. Fortunately, its manageable power demands mean you won't need anything fancy or expensive to keep it running cool and quiet. This CPU fits seamlessly into AMD's modern AM5 ecosystem. Whether you're building a mid-range gaming rig or a high-efficiency workstation, the 9600X gives you access to DDR5 memory and cutting-edge connectivity that future-proofs your build. If you're looking for a balanced CPU that offers strong single-core speeds for gaming and enough multi-core muscle for creative tasks, all without breaking the bank, the Ryzen 5 960X deserves serious consideration. Number 2. AMD Ryzen 99950X3D. If you're chasing true no-compromise performance, the AMD Ryzen 9950X3D stands tall as the ultimate powerhouse. AMD's groundbreaking 3DV cache technology already redefined gaming performance in previous generations, but now with the 9950X3D, it pushes the boundaries even further. Built on the Zen 5 architecture, this 16-core, 32-thread monster runs up to 5.7 GHz and packs an enormous 144 megabytes of total cache. Thanks to the innovative 3DV cache design, now optimized for better thermal efficiency, it delivers lightning-fast gaming performance without sacrificing creative workloads like video editing, 3D rendering, and complex simulations. The Ryzen 9950X3D drops into the AM5 platform, offering the latest in connectivity options, PCIe 5.0 support, and DDR5 memory compatibility. Despite its immense capabilities, it maintains an efficient power profile of 170 watts TDP, allowing it to hit top-tier performance without insane cooling requirements. What really sets the 9950X3D apart is how effortlessly it dominates the gaming landscape. Its massive 128 megabyte L3 cache allows for unparalleled responsiveness, faster frame rates, and smoother experiences across today's most demanding titles. Meanwhile, its incredible multi-threaded performance ensures your background processes, streaming software, and editing applications never skip a beat. If you're looking for the absolute best blend of gaming supremacy and professional-grade productivity, and you're ready to invest in top-shelf performance, the Ryzen 9950X3D isn't just a recommendation, it's the choice. Number 1. AMD Ryzen 79800X3D. If you're after the absolute best gaming performance available today, the AMD Ryzen 79800X3D is the undisputed champion. Priced at $480, it not only outpaces its rivals, but also delivers impressive value for gamers who demand nothing but the highest frame rates and smoothest experiences. With 8 Zen 5 cores, 16 threads, and boost speeds climbing up to 5.2 GHz, the Ryzen 79800X3D is a powerhouse tuned specifically for gaming excellence. Thanks to AMD's revolutionary 3DV cache technology, now refined with a 96 megabyte L3 cache cleverly stacked underneath the compute die, this chip consistently delivers top-tier frame rates and silky smooth 1% lows, even in the most graphically demanding scenarios. Compared to Intel's Core i9149K and the Core Ultra 9285K, the 9800X3D dominates by wide margins, beating them by 30% and 35% respectively in gaming benchmarks. And it doesn't just win on pure performance, its much lower power consumption translates into cooler, quieter, and more efficient builds, without needing oversized cooling systems or premium power supplies. While its ultra-optimized cache design means that a few specific games may see less dramatic gains, almost every title benefits significantly. Plus, with the 65-watt TDP and AM5 platform compatibility, the 9800X3D easily slots into modern systems with cutting-edge features like DDR5 memory and PCIe 5.0 support. If your main focus is gaming, whether it's esports or immersive open-world adventures, the Ryzen 7 9800X3D stands head and shoulders above anything else you can buy. It's the go-to choice for gamers who want the best and aren't willing to settle for second place. From budget-friendly heroes to absolute powerhouses, these CPUs prove there's never been a better time to upgrade your rig. Which one would you pick for your next build? Let us know in the comments. And make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more ultimate tech guides coming your way.